A document controller vacancy is available. Location is Al Ain, UAE. Must have minimum 2 to 5 years of experience. Has a document controller in contracting consulting companies UAE. Should be available in UAE to join immediately. Salary will be 6,000 dirham. Send CV to the given email address with subject of email has document controller. Please mention your current location, visa status, expected salary and notice period in the email content. A short-term vacancy is available. Position customer care representative or call center. Company name Home Center Landmark Group. Location is Marina, Dubai, UAE. Visa status must require sponsored visa and requirement excellent communication skills in both Arabic and English. Native Arabic speakers is a preferred. Excellent in reading and writing Arabic and English. Willing to work in rotational shifts. Minimum 1 years of experience in the customer service field. Applicants must be located in UAE and ready to join immediately. Internship payment 3,000 and duration is 3 months. The candidate should have a valid UAE visa. Please send your CV to the given email address with the subject intern customer care representative. An international school of Abu Dhabi branch is hiring. The Sharjah American International School Abu Dhabi branch expressed its need for an Islamic education teacher for the intermediate and secondary states. Immediate appointment. Terms of appointment: experience not less than 2 years, university degree in Islamic education, educational diploma. Communicate on email. If you have related experience, you can send CV to the given email address. Guys, before switch to the next topic, I just want to share with you very important information. Guys, be serious on this. If you are going to Dubai in visit visa in search of a job, you have to do something before departure. Before flying from your country, you have to do some work. Where you want to go, how you will find a job. I have a complete video. You can check in playlist. And also there you can find what documents are required. You have to attest all your documents. Another thing, if you are on cancel visa or you want to change your job, it will also help you to assist you. And the third important thing, CV is very important. If you know how to make or change CV in mobile phone, it's very well. If you don't know, you can watch a video, complete video, and within 10 to 15 minutes you can make a professional CV in your mobile phone just now. The basic thing is that if you are going to apply for a call center job and you are trying to find, you tried your best, but unluckily you did not find the same job, but you found an customer service job. This is closely related to the call center. But now you have to change your CV. The remaining CV will be the same, just experience in and description, and the other things, skills you have to change. You have to change your skills from call center to customer service. If you don't know how to change in mobile phone, then it will problem for you. You do not need to waste your money either in typing center or computer shop. Just go there and please change my this CV like this. This is a first example, but you have to change your CV many times. So you can watch a video and you can change everything in your mobile free of cost. Another thing, how to search a job. I have a complete video and playlist. You can watch there. And daily update about new jobs. I am posting jobs. So you have to subscribe this channel. So you will get daily notification and you can apply for your desired job. So make sure just now you subscribe my channel, because later you will forget it. This is the most important thing. Just click on subscribe and press the bell icon. And I also created a playlist for your assist. You can watch all the videos related to the job post. Thank you. A telesales executive job is available in UAE. We are hiring telesales executive tourism. Location is Sharjah. Salary 4,000 per month plus commission. Telesales executive tourism. Graduate in any discipline. Should have minimum 2-year telesales experience working for tourism agency in UAE. If you fall in above criteria, you can send CV to the given email address along with subject line reference telesales executive tourism, as well as along with covering letter on the email itself. A reputed company of GCC, Al Marahi, is hiring for 2 positions: regional sales manager, key account manager. The email address is given below. If you have experience in same field, you can apply for this job. A Dubai-based job is designation IT support agent. We are hiring IT support agents in Emirates, Dubai, with hardware maintenance background, Windows administration, help desk and network basis. If interested in applying, please share your CV to the given email address.